Nature is the ultimate teacher. She'll give you lessons throughout your life if you're willing to listen and constantly learn. Whether it's building a new skill or trying something new, all of these things are ultimately ways to lean into all of your humanity and reconnect back to yourself. The National Forest is a land of many uses, and it gives people like us the freedom to roam with just enough support to have what we need. So this campground has fire rings and picnic tables, there are restrooms, there's faucets for water, there are sites to choose from, there are places to drive, and it's a wonderful base camp to explore.
At the National Forest Foundation, we work on three major issues. One is to improve forest resiliency, two is to improve forest recreation infrastructure, and three is to engage Americans in the stewardship and enjoyment of the 193 million acre national forest system.
When THOR started looking at partners, we found the National Forest Foundation, and one of the biggest things that we realized was because they have so much land, so many campsites, that really ties into THOR and our purpose of helping people get out and enjoy the outdoors in an RV.
THOR and the National Forest Foundation are natural partners. They're both about getting folks out to enjoy our public lands. So by working together, we can make the investments that are necessary to ensure that folks have a place to play into the future. THOR's donations to our National Forest Foundation are critical to helping improve our recreation infrastructure. In particular, THOR's investments in our campgrounds make it so that people can use our campgrounds in the way they want to use them today.
The National Forest Foundation is a very important partner for the U.S. Forest Service. We're a nonprofit, congressionally chartered, and we work closely with the Forest Service to help maintain and enhance the 193 million acres of U.S. forests and grasslands.
Right now we're sitting at the Diamond Lake Campground on the Umpqua National Forest, and we're using some of THOR's money to invest here. A couple of things that we're doing is we're rebuilding fire rings to make sure that when people start fires, they stay within the rings. There was a big fire that swept through here, I think 2-3 years ago, so we're felling a lot of trees. We call them hazard trees so they don't blow down in big windstorms. And we're also bringing some electricity to the visitor center.
So when I look 20 years down the road, I would hope that people have even more opportunities to go explore the great outdoors and to be one with nature and to camp in many of our national forests.
And that is so important because these are public lands and they will only be public as long as the public supports them.
National forests really are a playground. You can get out there and you can ride your bike or you can go for a hike. You can bring your dog with you. There's a million different ways you can enjoy your national forests. When you don't have all of those distractions of the everyday world, you start to connect with people that you're with in a new and different way.